The girls are going to be performing the Kamakshi Stuti, and this is a big temple, so if you have plans to go to India or visit the Kanchipuram temple, and many women usually find this place very mesmerizing, mainly for the fact that you can get your Kanchipuram saris, silk saris from the same place. So the Kanchipuram temple in Tamil Nadu is the place where goddess Kamakshi is present. So this item that they're going to be presenting is on goddess Kamakshi, and this is our last presentation for this evening. Thank you all for being here today.
Kanjanaaya Dakshi Whoa, how good are they? Literally speechless, man. What a wonderful, wonderful performance by Kaladwiti. Guys, put your hands together. A big round of applause. Vaishali, can I have you on the stage and tell them again, for those who missed in the beginning, a bit more about Kaladwiti and where they can find you and how they can join if they want their kids to be wonderful dancers like these.
Thank you everyone for being such a wonderful audience. We have loved being on stage today with all the kids. And first of all, thanks to Himanshi and her group